Hey guys, this is Monster, and today I'll be opening the Xbox 360 Slim 250 gigabyte. Alright, so let's open. Oh, where is? It's kind of hard doing this one hand. Alright, let's see. Right here. Alright, let's cut that open. See? Shit. Guess we open it from right here. There we go. Alright, so let's see. Shit. Alright. Get that off. And open this. Gotta cut it from the other side. Shit. Alright, there we go. And here's the extra slim. Let's see right there. You guys can see that's the front. And the back is right here. I don't want to get any fingerprints on it already, so I'm trying to move it little by little. Alright, there we go. And let's open this now. So you got the mic. I'm not gonna open that yet. And see, you have the black controller. Shit. Alright. There we go. I needed a new controller anyways. And let's see, we have the power. And we have more shit in the box. We have the second power cable, and most likely last we have the TV cable. Alright, so guess that's it, and it's just that the guy no one needs. Alright, bye.